This video is all about District0x, the good old DNT. It has been on fire. This channel, if you've been here for a while, you have been following DNT since it was under a penny. And guess what? DNT is making all-time highs. So that's what this video is about. And of course, we got to talk a little bit about the graph at the end. So stay tuned for that. And if you're new here, definitely consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So heading right over to DNT on CoinGecko. Guys, look at this. We're on the DNT page, scrolling down to all-time high territory. It says all-time high right here. And what does it say? 42 and basically 43 cents. 43 cents all-time high. We go over to the charts on the market, on TradingView. And look, we hit about 44.5 cents yesterday. All-time highs. We got rejected. We're bouncing off. We're currently looking on the daily. And we're going to get back to the charts in just one sec. But look, we made an all-time high. It's just not updated on the CoinGeckos. Just a friendly reminder, currently the price is around 36 cents with a market cap of $264 million. And just a friendly reminder, if you've been on this channel back in October, I mentioned that I purchased some DNT under a penny. And I hope you guys did as well. And if you're new here, definitely smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on the next hot altcoin out there, if you know what I means. If you guys are interested in DNT, which I don't like to buy the green like this. I do not buy the green like this. But it's to say there's a dip. Coinbase Pro has it with the USDC pair. You got Binance with some pairs. I mean, it's on a bunch of exchanges, Bittrex as well. But your top two choices is probably Coinbase Pro or Binance. So heading over to the charts, what should we expect next? What is going on with DNT? Let's just dive right into it. So as we can see, we had the nice pump right here up to the 18 cents, 19 cent region. And guys, I said for a while, we had to get back above 13.2 cents. There's major resistance there. We kept struggling. We kept testing it. It was like, oh, it just didn't want to happen. We kept getting rejected after time and time again. Keep in mind, we're on the daily, so like the daily time frame. So each candle is 1 day. We just kept getting rejected day after day after day. But we were persistent. DNT prevailed. And once we broke 13.2, it was parabolic. We went from 13.2 to breaking that 18-cent barrier. Bam. And we broke through it just 2 days later. 1 day, bam. Second day, we broke through, held it, which was very, very crucial. And look at this. We just held this as support perfectly held that as support. Bam. I was getting a little worried here. I was like, are we going to break up or down? Because it was going to go one way or the other. And guess what? We ended up breaking up. I was like, whoa, guys, DNT is going. I put that out on the tweeters. So definitely follow on the tweeters, the crypto homie at homie_crypto. But yeah, bam, we bammed and it smashed right up. I mean, look at this beautiful daily candle. Just this day was a solid 46% return. 46% in just 1 day. But if you just count between the 3 days, from the bodies, it's 89%. But from the wick, you're talking 134%. I mean, we all like those massive gains. Right there. So, but we did get rejected up here, which is not surprising because we just made all-time high territory. There's going to be some resistance, and we want to end up breaking that resistance. Probably going to take some time. We're probably going to test it again, hopefully break through. But like in the short term, I would not be surprised to see us bounce back down to the 20 cent, 18 cent region. Would not be surprised to see us have a nice wick down here and hold that as support, just for a nice visual. Something like we may play around here and then bounce down, but then come right back up and then bam up and then eventually break through. That's what I'm seeing. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a silly dude on the internet. So keep that in mind when you make your decisions, and always please do your own research because you guys are all smart out there. You guys all know it's good. But yeah, just I definitely expected to break that 43 cents, but but like right now, I'm expecting more of a pullback. It really depends on good old Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now, it definitely will move the charts. Bitcoin is down a little bit. We're currently at 47.2. I saw we were at 46, so just keep that in mind. Watching out for this bull flag to finally play out. But yeah, just keep in mind it did fall down to 46.2. So just watch out for that as well, because you never know what's going to happen. But since we're still on the DNT, let's go back to their website. I wanted to show you guys their roadmap, okay? So something I thought was super cool was that they don't have dates on it. Usually when I go, to websites and see what's their roadmap, because that's one of the things I like to look at, is there's usually a date, quarter 2, quarter 3, but they have check marks next to things that are done, and then they're not checked if they're not done. It says, version 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and another 0.3. Look, they don't have everything done, but it's interesting. There's no time frame. So that's something I would like to see what's going on there. But I mean, nonetheless, though, just checking out the price action in the chart, super duper bullish on DNT. can't go wrong with some good old DNTs. Because breaking that all-time high will be great. And I think it's only a matter of time before that happens. But just be patient. Just like we saw back here when we had the massive pump, there's a nice little correction. We got to correct down a little bit and then wait for it. So just be patient and go from there. So of course, we got to see what is going on with the graph. Yesterday, it made all-time highs again after all-time highs, basically. And then we kind of smacked down. We got to zoom in, though, on the chart for this one. Yesterday on the live stream, we had a great time. Thank you to everybody tuning in for the live stream. Expect a live stream today, homies. Expect a live stream today. We got to use my artist skills right here. Let's get these pumped out. Cool. I'm really good at drawing straight lines, as you can see. But yeah, so guys, I said yesterday around the 212, 211 to 255. 212, 211 was resistance. 255 is 212 is support. This right here is support, and the 255 is resistance. My bad. So yeah, this right here is resistance. This right here is support. And right now we're kind of like no man's land. We want to see what happens. Yes, we are looking on the 1 hour chart, so it's not that significant. Of course, the daily is way more significant. But just keep in mind, I want to see us bounce off this. We've been bouncing back and forth. I want to see us touch down here again, and hopefully the next rally ends up breaking through. Because once we break this, the thing is why, like right now, why this is so crucial breaking this level in here is once we break it, because we keep testing it, as long as we break it, we don't have much to go through, and we're going to be making all-time high, breaking that 290 region, making all-time high, after you know what? All-time high. That's how we do it here, making all-time highs. So that's what's exciting. Now, on the flip side, we could possibly fall down to like the $1.50 area if we end up breaking the support, possibly all the way down to 150, 175, somewhere in there. But I think there's going to be a lot of buyers. With the graph, this thing has a great social sentiment. People love this product. Has a long-term potential, major long-term potential. And I really do believe that there will be buyers ready to buy this on the dip. You know, we fall down to 175, the 150 region, somewhere in there. So just keep that in mind. You probably want to have your buy order in to get ready, but I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's possible. Right now, I just want to see how this plays out. It's kind of like a 50-50. Are we going to break up or are we going to break the downside? I mean, we're overextended a little bit. Let's pull up the RSI. Let's mute the MACD for a second. The RSI on the hour is kind of there in the middle, but I want to look at it on the daily because it did. Yeah, look at this on the daily. The RSI on the daily, we're literally up here at 90. Okay? So put that down to a little. We're literally at 90, okay? So that's very high. The RSI is just saying it's overbought. It's overbought. People are buying a lot of it. It's probably time to consider taking some profits. Once again, I'm not telling you to take profit. I'm just saying consider your exit strategy. Consider when you want to sell. So keep that in mind. So that's what the RSI looks like. Once again, it seems like we're probably going to need a cool-off period. This is what it looks like on the daily. I mean, look at that. Beautiful moves. And just to measure what happened back in the day, back in December, that massive Coinbase pump. If you guys are interested in a list of coins that has the highest probability of listing on Coinbase, and when they list to have these massive pumps, definitely check the description of this video down there with a nice little coupon code. So yeah, just keep this in mind. Massive pumps right there. I'm expecting all-time high after all-time high once we break through that 255. But like I said, the RSI is overextended. So what's going to happen there? You let me know your opinion down in the comments below. I just want to thank everybody for smashing that subscribe button. We have 8.29 thousand subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's been such a journey. I've been loving the journey. It's a nice interacting with you guys on the live stream. Such a great time. I hope we just continue to grow and just grow to the moon, if you know what I mean. So yeah, guys, just thank you so much. So humbling to smash through 8,000 subscribers. And of course, have a great rest of your day, afternoon, morning, wherever you're from. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude on the internet. So definitely do your own research before you take your hard-earned bucks and put them into some cryptos. So just keep that in mind. And of course, if you made this far, homie, definitely smash that like button. And if you're new here, smash the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys all later in the live stream. So until then, bye-bye.